going on, guys? UT21 here, and today we're back with another unboxing video. Now in today's unboxing video, I went to multiple different stores. I was finally fed up with one car and I couldn't find it in the stores anymore, so I went ahead and bought it off eBay. And well, you might be able to guess it, but it's the Pagani Huayra from the Forza series from earlier this May. But, speaking of Forza, I also found some cars from the new Forza series. Now, I got these at two different stores. I got them at Meijer and Kroger. I can't remember which stores I got the individual cars at, but who really cares? What matters is, I got the cars right here. So, with that said, let's take a look at the cars I got. As I mentioned, I got the Pagani Huayra from the older Forza series, the AMC Rebel machine, the BMW 2002, probably the most desirable car of these series, the Nissan Silvia S15, and last but not least, the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. So, with that said, let's take a look at the first car, the Pagani Huayra. So let's take a look at the package. So we got a nice detailed pic of the car itself. Forza Motorsport. Like I mentioned, the Huayra is in a garage background. Hot Wheels. Forza Motorsport. Pagani Huayra. 5 out of 5. Metal to metal and real riders. Case coating. Forza Motorsport. All the cars you can get from the series, including the Porsche 356 Speedster, the 73 BMW 3 CSL race car, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the 16 Ford GT Race, and the Pagani Huayra that's seen here. I already do have all the cars from the series now, since I got the Huayra. Each sold separately, subject to availability. 2017 Mattel. Copyrights like Bell, Ford, Forza, Microsoft, Goodyear, Kony, Xbox, whatever. For the adult collector. Now for use of some wheel sets, hwcollectors.com, Mattel, barcode. But that is it for the package of the Pagani Huayra. So let's open this beauty up. So here's the Pagani Huayra out of the package. So let's take a look at it. We have rubber 5-spoke rims with a chrome accent around them. Metal base, it's black. 2012 Mattel, Pagani Huayra. Made in Malaysia. That's interesting. I thought the special cars were made in Thailand. Very nice light orange metallic color. Forza Motorsport, Xbox. Forza logo, we have some stripes going across there. We have an intake. Some stripes on the bonnet. Headlights are detailed. Same as the other side. The back. Taillights are detailed. Quad exhaust port. Pagani Huayra. The interior appears to be pretty detailed. Got the engine bay in there. But that is it for the Pagani Huayra. So let's go on to the next car. The AMC Rebel machine. So let's take a look at it. So a nice detailed pic of the car itself. In a racetrack background. Forza Motorsport. Forza logo itself. Hot Wheels, 50 years. AMC Rebel machine. Forza Motorsport, 2 out of 5. Metal to metal. Real riders. The back. Now I do want to point out something kind of interesting. So you'll notice on the Pagani Huayra package, it says for the adult collector. But you'll notice it says ages 3 and up. And for the Hot Wheels collector. I guess they kind of want to encourage more ages than adults to get into these cars. I mean, I'm freaking 15. And I collect these cars. I'm not quite an adult, but I still wouldn't recommend this car for 3-year-olds. They would just throw them around and beat them up. But anyway, still says ages 3 and up. For the Hot Wheels collector, instead for the adult collector. Forza Motorsport. Hot Wheels, 50 years. Collect them all the cars you can get from the series, including the Morris Mini, which I need to find that one. The AMC Rebel machines in here, BMW 212, Nissan Silvia S15, Lamborghini Huracan, LP 610-4. Each sold separately, subject to availability, made in Thailand, 2018 Mattel. Copyrights like Lamborghini, Bilstein, Chrysler, Nissan, Goodyear, Forza. HWcollectors.com. Barcode. But that is it for the package of the AMC Rebel machine. So let's open the car up. So here's the AMC Rebel machine out of the package. So let's take a look at it. These nice chrome classic style racing rims. It says Goodyear on the tires. Of course, metal base, made in Thailand. 2012 Mattel. AMC Rebel machine, copyright Chrysler. Nice red color. Forza Motorsport. You have a detailed rear indicator. We also have these stripes going across the bottom. Door handles detailed. I think it's supposed to be a logo of some sort. I can't quite tell what it says. Some more stripes in the bonnet. We have a bonnet scoop. Front. Headlights are detailed. Nice big grille. And then we have a place where the license plate can go. Same as the other side, except we have a fuel filler door. The back. Taillights are detailed. Dual exhaust port. The interior appears pretty detailed. But that is it for the AMC Rebel machine. So let's go on to the next car. The BMW 2002. So let's take a look at it. It's a nice detailed pic of the car itself. Forza Motorsport. Hot Wheels, 50 years. Forza Motorsport inside. BMW 2002. 3 out of 5. Metal to metal. Real riders. The back for the Hot Wheels collector. Forza Motorsport. Hot Wheels, 50 years. Collect them all. All the cars you can get from the series. In Thailand. Copyright 2018 Mattel. Lamborghini, Bilstein, Nissan, Goodyear, Forza, whatever. HWcollectors.com, Mattel. Barcode. But that is all for the package of the BMW 2002. So let's get the 2002 unboxed. So here's the BMW 2002 out of the package. So let's take a look at it. Nice 8-spoke rims. It says Goodyear in the tires. Made in Thailand. 2011 Mattel. BMW 2002. Some M stripes going across the side there and the bottom. Some sponsors inside. Xbox, Bill Sheen, and Goodyear. Forza, I think it says Forza Racing Championship. Forza logo. Forza on the bonnet with the BMW logo. And some more M stripes. Front. Headlights are detailed with the traditional BMW grille. I've always thought this is really interesting because you notice how like they say like turbo in 2002 backwards. I don't know why they do that. And my best guess is like so you can see in like the rearview mirror or something. Still, we have some M stripes going around 2002 and turbo. Same as the other side. The boot, we have some more M stripes on it. Back, taillights are detailed. BMW, turbo, and the BMW logo itself. Single exhaust port. Interior. Yeah, not really that detailed. Kind of a bit slopped together. But that is it for the BMW 2002. So let's go on to the next car. The car I've been waiting to open. The Nissan Silvia S15. So let's take a look at it. So a nice detailed pic of the S15. Forza Motorsport and the Forza logo. Hot Wheels, 50 years. And Silvia S15. Forza Motorsport. 4 out of 5 metal to metal and real riders. The back. Forza Motorsport for the Hot Wheels collector. Hot Wheels, 50 years, collect them all. All the cars you can get from the series. Each sold separately, subject to availability. Made in Thailand, 2018 Mattel. Copyrights. Each should be collectors, Mattel, barcode. But that is it for the package of the S15. So let's open this JDM Legend up. So here's the S15 out of the package. So let's take a look at it. It's nice gold 6-spoke rims. Nissan Silvia S15, 2017 Mattel, and made in Thailand. Of course, there's a metal base because it's a collector car. Side, I really like this. Like these. It's kind of like a stripe or something, and it kind of has the Forza logo in it. Looks really cool. Otherwise, we have a fuel filler door. Xbox. Can't tell what it says right there. I think it says, Oh wow, it's a Spec-R Silvia. Nice. Forza Motorsport. They have an indicator on the side. The bonnet, we have the Forza logo. Really nice metallic blue color, might I add. Headlights are detailed. We got the Spec-R body kit. Some air dam in the front and some vents inside. Same as the other side. The back. On the boot we got the spoiler from the Spec-R package. Looks really nice. It's black. Silvia, and then Nissan logo. Taillights are detailed. Single exhaust port. License plate we go. The interior. It's right-hand drive because it's a JDM car. Can't really see too much inside there. But I guess it looks pretty detailed. But that is it for the Nissan Silvia S15. So let's go on to the next and last car. The Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. So a nice detailed pic of the Huracan itself. Forza Motorsport, the Forza logo. Hot Wheels, 50 years. Forza Motorsport, Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4, 5 out of 5. Metal to metal and rear riders. The back, same old Forza Motorsport for the Hot Wheels collector. Hot Wheels, 50 years, collect them all. The cars you can get from the series, it's sold separately. 2018 Mattel, made in Thailand. Copyrights, HW Collectors, Mattel. Barcode. But that is it for the package of the Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. So let's open this beauty up. So here's the Lamborghini Huracan and the package. So let's take a look at it. So there's some BBS style rims. Rubber tires, of course. It's hard to tell, but this is actually a metal base. To the eye, it kind of looks like plastic, but it's actually a metal base. 2017 Mattel, made in Thailand. Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Side, have a nice white stripe going across there. Forza Motorsport, Forza Championship, Xbox, Forza. We have some more white and green stripes going across the front there. The bonnet is green. It says Forza Racing Championship. Headlights are detailed. Lamborghini logo. Front includes the air dam and some vents on the side. Same as the other side. The back. Forza Motorsport, Lamborghini. We have a brake light. Taillights on the side there, which are detailed. Then we have a quad exhaust. Nice big view of the engine bay. And it also says Forza on the roof. The interior appears pretty detailed in there. So that is it for the Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Well guys, that's all for today's unboxing video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my channel and all the other videos that I post. Also be sure to follow me on Drive Tribe, Twitter, and Instagram. Well, that is all for today's video, and goodbye.